Hi, good morning. Today I will be discussing briefly about topics 6 and 7, which includes related rates and optimization problems. So, in this video, ang ato ang i-tackle dinhi are the word or the solving problems na. So, applications of differentiation. So, first we are going to discuss about related rates. So there are guidelines or hints for us when we are solving related rate problems. So number one, so dili lang man siguro ni siya dili sa calculus, no, sugod pa ni siya sa algebra. First is we're going to identify the given quantities. So we are going to find kung unsa ra tong gihatag sa atua sa problem or given lang sa atua. So and also what is asked in the problem. So what are the quantities to be determined, no? So mao nang naatay given tapos required. And also we are going to make a sketch or a diagram and label the quantities. So number 2, write an equation involving the variables. Kung sa ato paning algebra or sa kato pa bitong basic mathematics pa nato, mao ni siya ang pagbuhat sa ato ang number statement, no? Mao ni siya. So write an equation involving the variables whose rates of change either are given or are to be determined. So since this is differential calculus, ang ato ang topic dinhi kay rate of change or ang change sa value. No, using number 3, using the chain rule, implicitly differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to time t, since these rate of change are varying due to the change in with respect to change of time. So after completing step 3, we are going to substitute into the resulting equation all known values for the variables and their rates of change. Then we are going to solve for the required rate of change. Kung unsa manggaling to nga rate of change ato ang ginapangita. Okay? So for a summary, number 1 is we are going to find what is asked and what is given and what is asked in the problem. Sunod, magbuhat ta og sketch or diagram. Second is we are going to make a equation, working equation para makita nato tong rate of change nga gipangita. And third is we are going to use chain rule, no, for both sides of the equation with respect to change in with respect to time t. So lastly, we are going to substitute the resulting equation to all known variables katong naay given sa atoa. So ato ni siyang magamit na mga guidelines din sa ato ang example problem. So for our example problem number 1, the variables x and y are both differentiable functions of t and are related by the equation y is equal to x squared plus 3. So find dy dt when x is equal to 1, given that dx dt is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. So naatay makita na nato diretso ang mga given. So for our solution using chain rule, we can differentiate both sides of the equation with respect to t. So first i-extract sa nato ang given. We are given the equation y is equal to x squared plus 3. So we are going to write the original equation. Then we are going to differentiate with respect to t. So d dt, so gihatagan natag verb diri. Kwaon daw nato ang differential ni y with respect to dt or change in time is equal to d dt of x squared plus 3. So, gihiwalay na to si function ni y. Kaya diri sa to example, nakahiwalay naman daan si y and ang function ni x squared plus 3. So, both sides, we are going to differentiate them with respect to time t. So, mao ni siya, using chain rule, ang atong answer, so the derivative of y with respect to time, no, is 1. Tapos, equal to d dt of x squared plus 3. So, ato ning i-derive, x squared will become 2x, 2 minus 1, no? So, mahimo siya 2x to the power of 1. So, 2x plus the derivative of 3, which is 0. Therefore, dy dt is equal to 2x dx dt. So, naa na ta sa katong sa atong pang step, balikan na to, no? So, naa na ta diri sa step 3. So, given, naman po tayo given na when dx dt is equal to 2, tapos dx dt is equal to 2 when x is equal to 1. So, ang mahitabuan ni when x is equal to 1, ato na nang i-substitute ni nga value. So, dy dt is equal to 2x dx dt. So, dy dt, or the rate of change of y with respect to time t is equal to 2 times the value of x is 1, tapos the value of dx dt, given gyapon, which is 2. So, the answer is 4. So, the answer is dy dt is equal to 4. Okay? So, ang gipangita man din sa atong problem is the rate of change of y with respect to t. Okay? So, let's proceed with example number 2. A pebble is dropped into a calm pond, causing ripples in the form of concentric circles. Unsa man yung concentric circles? Mao ni sila, no? As shown in this figure. The radius r of the outer ripple is increasing at a constant rate of 1 foot per second. When the radius is 4 feet, at what rate is the total area A of the disturbed water changing? So, unsay given nato dinhi? We are given a constant rate of 1 foot per second. Okay? Nanatay given nga rate 1 foot per second. Also, we are given the radius of 4 feet. Tapos, ang gipangita is at what rate is the total area of the disturbed water changing. So, ang rate of change ni area ang gipangita diri sa problem. So, ingon ana ang inyong buhaton during sa mag-solve mo og problems or applications. No, dili lang sa calculus kundi dili sa tanan hantod sa thermodynamics, statics, dynamics, fluid machineries, i-extract ninyo daan ang given sa problem and the required para naa na mo'y idea kung unsa ang inyong approach in solving the problem. So, let's proceed with the solution. The variables r and a are related by the equation, no, in finding the area of a circle. So, a is equal to pi r squared. So, kung diameter pa, 1/4 pi d squared kung diameter. Pero ang given sa tuwa is radius r man. Balikan na to, radius r man. So, we are going a is equal to pi r squared. So, the rate of change of the radius r is dr dt. Since all of this problem, ato man siyang gipangitaan og derivative with respect to time t. Dumdumon na sad nato na. So given dr dt, nganong 1 man ni? Nganong 1 man ni, ma'am? So 1 ni siya given sa ato ang problem nga 1 foot per second daw ang change in radius, no? Diri, change in radius. So balik ta, we have the equation a is equal to pi r squared. Area na siya sa circle. Given, and we are also given the rate of dr dt, which is 1 foot per second, And we are going to find, or the required parameter in this quantity in this problem is the change in area with respect to time t. So dA dt when r is equal to 4 feet. So with this information, we can proceed in example number 1 nga process, no? Unsa to atong gibuhat? First, we are going to, so naanataan ni no, a is equal to pi r squared. So a is equal to pi r squared. Tapos ato siyang i-derive both sides. So d dt of a, or the derivative of a with respect to time t, and the derivative of pi r squared with respect to dt. So dA dt is equal to 2 pi r. Nga ng 2 pi r man, so r squared man ni, maubos na siya sa gamit nato ang power rule. So 2 pi r dr dt. So using chain rule, mao ni ang ato ang answer. 2 pi, diba? 2 pi r dr dt. So we are given the radius nga 4 feet. So 4 is substitute nato kay r, radius 4. Tapos ang rate of change dr dt given nato nga 1. Okay? So i-substitute nato 1, which is equal to 2 pi. So 2 times 4 times 1 is 8. So 8 pi square feet per second. So pwede ra pod ninyo siya i-multiply sa value ni pi, which is 3.1416. So when the radius is 4 feet, tapos problem ni siya, pwede din mo mag-note na therefore, when the radius is 4 feet, the area is changing at a rate of 8 pi square feet per second. So that is our final answer. Okay? So for the next example for related rate problem, an airplane is flying on a flight path that will take it directly over a radar tracking station. So as shown in the figure below. The distance S is decreasing, so pagamay siya, pagamay, at a rate of 400 miles per hour mph. And S is equal to 10 miles. So sa iyaha daw pag-decrease of distance at 10 miles, mao ni ang iyahang rate of change, 400 miles per hour. So the question is, what is the speed of the plane? So ang gipangutana is ang speed sa plane. So mao ni siya ang ato ang gibuhat na figure. So kasagara ang ihatag ani nga given is kinira, tapos kita din ang mag-sketch ani kining triangle sa sulod. So this is the figure of the problem. Asa ang atong given dari? Number 1, naatay distance S decreasing at a rate of 400 mph, tapos ang S distance 10 miles. Kining X is mao ni ang ato ang distance, no? Diri kang plane from this point, okay? From this vertical na line, no? Or altitude, okay? So for our solution, let X be the horizontal distance from the station. So kung mo ni ang ato ang horizontal, morning X nato, no? The distance from the plane gikan ani nga kining vertical nga line, kining 6 mile nga altitude. Okay? So makagamit nata sa Pythagorean theorem, no? Pythagorean theorem. So gikan diri as our ang ato ang longest line sa ato ang atong hypotenuse, longest line ni siya sa ato ang triangle, no? So S squared is equal to X squared plus 6X squared. 6 squared. So, mao ni siya, notice that when S is equal to 10, kay given na nga S is equal to 10, so X is equal to square root of 10 squared minus 6 squared. So, X is equal to 8. So, given the rate of change sa ds dt, which is 400, decreasing man, given natay mga hint pod no, natay mga clue word diri sa problem. Nag-ingon man diri nga decreasing, so meaning negative. Kay kung increasing pa ni siya, positive 400 mph. Pero karon decreasing ang given sa 2a. So negative 400 mph when S is 10 miles. So we are required to find dx dt when S is equal to 10 miles and X is equal to 8 miles. So we can find the velocity of the plane using the equation using the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus 6 squared is equal to s squared. So, i-differentiate nato with respect to t, both sides. So, x squared plus 6 squared, no? May mo siya og 2x dx dt. Makancel out si 6 squared using the constant rule. So, si s squared mahimog 2s ds dt. So, we are going to solve for dx dt. So, ang gipangita man nato is value ni dx dt. So, kini si 2x ato siyang transpose diri sa pikas, no? So dx dt will be equal to 2s over 2x. Cancel out 2, so mahimog s over x na lang. So dx dt is equal to s over x ds dt. So given man tag value ni s and ni x with S is equal to 10 miles and X is equal to 8 miles. So, i-substitute na lang nato siya. Mao na ni ang fourth stage ato ang sa ato ang pag-solve. So, S is equal to 10 tapos X is equal to 8. Tapos, given the rate of change ds dt of negative 400 mph, i-substitute lang gyapon nato siya dinhi. So, the answer is 10 over 8 times negative 400. Okay, so it is equal to negative 500 mph. So therefore, because the velocity is negative 500 mph, the speed is 500 mph, decreasing, no? So this is the final answer. Okay, for the next example, find the rate of change in the angle of elevation of the camera shown in this figure or in the figure below at 10 seconds after liftoff. So, a television camera at ground level is filming the lift of a rocket that is rising vertically according to the position equation S is equal to 50 t squared, where S is measured in feet and t is measured in seconds. So the camera is 2,000 feet from the launch pad. So, naatay given a figure, ang iyang distance, no? Ang iyang horizontal distance is 200 feet. Ang iyang vertical distance denoted as S. And we have this hypotenuse, which is tan is equal to S over 2,000. So, gamitan lang siya sukatuwa, no? So, tan theta, sorry, dili siguro makita. So, tan theta is equal to S over 2,000. Okay? So, solution, let theta be the angle of elevation. So, kini siya, angle of elevation. as shown in the figure. When t is equal to 10 or time is equal to 10 seconds, the height s of the rocket is s is equal to 50t. 50t squared. Okay? Given na siya din ang katong 10s or 10 seconds. So, substitute na to si t sa atong equation. So, we have an elevation kini or altitude, no? Given na tong elevation nga 5,000 feet. So, given rate, ds dt is equal to 100t is equal to velocity of rocket in feet per second. Okay? So, find the change in d theta. D theta is over dt or the rate of change of theta with respect to time t when t is 10 seconds and s is equal to 5,000 feet. Okay? So, asa manigikan ang 100t? So, gikan na siya dinhi sa atong pag i-differentiate galing ninyo ni siya, may mo ni siya ds over dt. So, 50 times 2 is 100t. So, makuha na to ang velocity sa rocket. Okay? So, let's continue with the equation. Tan theta is equal to s over 2,000. So, using our trigonometric identities, tan theta is also equal to sec squared theta. Okay? So, sec squared theta, d theta over dt is equal to, kaya ato ning i-differentiate dayon, no? Ato ning differentiate with respect to t. Okay? So, 1 over 2,000. So, the answer is d theta. So, ato ning gi-differentiate with respect to t. Okay? Gamitan ni siya sa ato ang trigonometric nga differential nga values. So, we have d theta over dt. So, kining sec squared theta, pag ato ni siyang i-transpose dinhi sa pikas, no? Kung mag-divide tag sec squared theta both sides, cancel out ni, diri mabutang og 1 over 2,000 tapos sec squared theta. Okay? Tapos gamitan din nato siya og trigo identities nga di ba kung ano man ni siya kanang naman tayo equation nga cos squared theta is equal to 1 over sec squared theta. So, gamito nato si cos squared theta. So, balik ta, d theta over dt is equal to cos squared theta. Tapos, si ds dt man, we have that value which is 100t. So, 100t over 2,000. Okay? So, ato na siyang ipang-substitute na din ato ang value, no? So, dinhi, napatay buhaton in between ani, which is cos theta is equal to 2,000 over square root of, di ba? Cosine is, gamitan na to SOHCAHTOA. So, ang cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, given ani, adjacent over hypotenuse, no? So, ang hypotenuse nato is square root of s squared plus 2,000 squared. Okay? S squared over 2,000 squared. So, adjacent, which is 2,000 over square root of s squared plus 2,000 squared. Okay? So, mo na siya itong i-substitute diri. So, 2,000 over square root of s squared plus 2,000 squared times 100t over 2,000. So, this is our equation. So, when t is equal to 10 and s is equal to 5,000, we have d theta is equal, d theta or change in theta with respect to time t is equal to 2,000 times 100 times 10 over 5,000 squared plus 2,000 squared is equal to 2 over 29 radian per second. So when t is equal to 10, theta is changing at a rate of 2 over 29 radian per second. And this is our final answer.